Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, what a great day. I've got Dilip with me, one of our students. 8 each in PT, 86 overall, 79 plus in all the modules. Congratulations, Dilip. Very well done.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Dilip, I've personally seen you working hard. You have spent a lot of time in the lab. You have put in a lot of effort. Despite that, we were just missing by a few points, right? Last attempt, we missed by a few points. What do you think is overall important for this particular exam? What it takes to clear it in the very first go?
I think there are three things according to me. One is dedication for sure, which is much more important. And second thing is proper guidance, which we lack by ourselves, for which was fulfilled by Language Academy. And I'm very grateful to Language Academy, especially the tutors there. They've got very much patience, and yeah. So they were really patient, and they give the proper strategies, tips and tricks, and they tell the weightage of score, like which module you have to give more importance, which is less. So the overall thing made it success.
So basically, you understood the exam pattern, what is important, what is not, and then you had the right guidance as well, which you were lacking when you were practicing by yourself.
Yeah, true.
Right. Dilip, reading, I remember, was giving you a bit of hard time, right? Reading is difficult, slightly difficult for a few students out there. What did you do in your reading section this time, which helped you to get this particular score?
My teachers, they had suggested me not to go by just practicing thing, but understand the basics behind it. So
Correct.
understand the grammatic rules and
Hmm.
just spend some time to understand the thing, and later things will fall automatically in place. So I tried to fix my basics, and yeah, later marks was in front of me.
So basically, not just memorizing the questions, trying to understand them, right?
Yeah, true.
That's 100% correct. But I think you have been to a few grammar sessions as well. How important are those?
Yes, so that's where it started. So when my teachers, they told me to fix the grammars, and then attended a couple of grammar classes. So that's where I understood where I was lacking, and then I could get proper tips from them. And then whenever I do a mistake, they could guide me. No, this is what you have to do. This is what the grammar rules are. So things started slowly building up, and especially the grammar classes, which on Mondays and Thursdays, which I've attended, those were really helpful.
Correct. That's 100% correct. One thing which I take out of Dilip's journey is that make sure that whenever you practice, you get the feedback, you ask for feedback, you make sure you are working hard, but you're working hard in the right direction. Plus, on top of that, always ask any doubt you have, you need to make sure you clear it before you go for the exam. Last thing I would like to ask you, Dilip, you have taken a number of mock tests. I've checked a lot of your mock tests. How important are mock tests?
Mock test that gives you a feel of your actual exam. So rather than going and trying out in the actual exam, mock test, it gives you a actual feel. Two things there. One is it gives you actual feel. Second is it gives you a sense of time, like how do you manage time. So which helped a lot, especially in the reading, because reading in the initial first exam, I remember I couldn't finish it by myself, the reading part. Later, the mocks really helped things. Yeah, it was good.
That's 100% correct. Because whenever you sit for the mock test, you sit in the real exam environment. Plus, you have to manage your time. So beforehand, only before going for the exam, you know what all you need to focus on, where you mess up, and what other things you need to be extra careful about when you go for the exam this time. If you follow these things, 120%, you are going to get your score. Congratulations and all the very best for your Nati now. Huh?
Thanks, Aranya.
That's
That's
it
next
from
now.
this video.
Yeah.
That's it from this video, guys. Make sure if he has done it, I have done it, you can do it as well. But dedication, then you need to make sure you are there regular. You need to practice regularly. Consistency is the key. Plus, you need to ask for feedback and take a number of mock tests, and you are going to get 8 each in your very first score. Varun from Language Academy, I'll see you very soon.
Now crack your PTE sitting at your home. Language Academy brings to you the smartest AI-powered practice portal, with instant scores and feedback for all the tasks. Along with the practice questions, access free sectional and full mock tests, and get instant scorecard with in-depth feedback and analysis. For more hidden secrets, tips, strategies, and proven templates, click the link below and subscribe to our video course today.